Hello, kids! Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we'll learn how to solve a subtraction problem in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. Here's the problem for today. Ram had 17 fruits, but then he gave 5 fruits to his sister. So, how many fruits does Ram have now? Let's figure it out together. First, we know Ram had 17 fruits. Then he gave 5 fruits to his sister. That means we need to subtract 5 from 17. In math, we use the minus sign to show subtraction. Let's subtract step by step. Look at the ones column first. From 7, take away 5. What do we get? That's right, 2. Now, look at the tens column. There's just 1, and there's nothing to subtract from it, so it stays as it is. So, 17 minus 5 equals 12. Now, Ram has 12 fruits left. Great job, everyone! That's all for today, kids. Subtraction is so easy, isn't it? Keep practicing more problems like this at home. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.